Everyone, today we will learn how to create a lightning flow and what is lightning flow in Salesforce. So we'll see. So what is lightning flow? Lightning flow is nothing but it is kind of business automated flow that is built using a drag and drop. We have a feature to drag and drop and will create a flow. So it's very easy to maintain. So lightning flow will give you a guided visual experience. It will increase the amount of backend capability compared to the process builder. We can build a more complicated logic using a lightning flow that we can't do in a process builder. So when user clicks something like a button or a backend process, something like a record update or record any DML on the record, it will trigger the flow. So now we will see how we will create a flow in Salesforce. So you need to go to the home page. From there, in the quick find, just search the flow. It will give you this, and once you will click on that, it will come to this screen. And here you need to click on this new flow. Once you click on that, it will give you option to create this many flow types. So basically we have 5 flow types in Salesforce. The first one is screen flow. So now we will see what is screen flow. Screen flow is kind of like we will give a user UI to the user. Their user will enter some value, whatever as per the user convenient, and then based on that, whatever the user want to do, like any record create, any update, anything. So on that, it will flow the trigger the flow. Record trigger flow is kind of like you will do in a backend, like you will do the trigger update, record update, delete, or anything on the record, and in the backend this flow will trigger. Schedule trigger flow is like we will schedule the trigger at any particular time or any particular frequency. Like we want to schedule a trigger every day at 4 p.m., 5 p.m. like that. So we will do this kind of flow when we need to schedule that. Platform event trigger flow, it is kind of like we have something called platform event in Salesforce. So when that event, platform event, we will receive it, then that trigger this flow will trigger. And the last one is auto launch flow. So this is kind of like it will not launch automatically. We have to call from Apex or maybe REST API and maybe from trigger. So when we will call it, then only it will flow, trigger the auto launch flow. We have seen how to create a flow and what all types we have in the flow. So in the next video, we will see how to create a flow. We will pick any flow type and we'll create and we will see. While creating a flow, there were so many things will come. So we will understand each and everything.